Mama Kay looking at in her first toy, electric toy. Battery operated. So, look at her face, guys. Yes. Look at her face. Look at her. She's just looking on it, honey. Look,
She don't know what to think of it.
Yeah, she's thinking. Yes. You tell Daddy you want to go here. Honey, honey, she didn't play on it. What's wrong with her?
She don't know what to think of it.
She used to be your toy, Mommy Kay.
Okay. Good enough, honey.
Okay, honey.
Turn the TV back on.
No. It's supposed to be 1 hour, 2 minutes. Come on, Ming Ming. Go look at it, Ming Ming. Go play with it. Come on, Ming. No, Kingston, don't climb on the bed. Yeah, but tell Daddy about it. Oh, yeah, tell Daddy about it. You wanna go there? Oh, our cat is so cute, guys. Look at her reaction. She's just looking at it. She's just looking at it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.